Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking Excel 4G Acatics. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, and many more online courses. Please add me for your weekly assignments, add me for your weekly quizzes, and add me for your complete course. I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do your all assignments, all simulation training, all simulation exam, midterm, and final, and I will provide you A+ grade. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard, and many more colleges, universities, and schools. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. The title of assignment is that Excel 4G Aquatics, and you can see here project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. And then moving on, question number 1. Open the Excel workbook student Excel 4G Aquatics. Excel is download with this project. Basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download this file easily from your Pearson IT Lab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson IT Lab dashboard. I am gonna showing my Excel workbook. That's I have downloaded this from my Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can see this my Excel workbook. Okay, this is my Excel workbook. I have downloaded this file from my Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download easily from your school portal, your Pearson portal. Now moving on, next question is question number 2. Click cell A2 and then insert a recommended pivot table by choosing the blank pivot table option to the lower left corner of the dialog box. Add the month field to the filter area, add the pool field to the row area, and then item field to the column area. Place the amount field in the value area and then close the pivot table field list. Okay, move field as necessary so that they are displayed in the correct areas of the area section. Okay, you can see click cell A2 and then insert a recommended pivot table by choosing the blank pivot table option to the lower left corner of the dialog box. First we will click cell A2 and then we will insert a recommended pivot table by choosing the blank pivot table option in the lower left corner of the dialog box. Okay, you can see this question. And then moving on, Excel workbook. Okay, click cell A2 and then insert a, simply click cell A2 and then go to the insert type, click on insert tab. Okay, click on insert tab, click on pivot table. Okay, and then we will insert pivot table. So insert a recommended pivot table, click on recommended pivot table and then we will select this table. Now add the month field to the filter area. Okay, month field to the filter area. Here is month field to the filter area. Then next add the pool field to the row area. The pool field to the rows area. Pool fields to the rows area. Now the atom field to the column area. The atom field to the column area. Okay, this is good. Now place the amount field in the values area and then close the pivot table field. Place the amount field in the values area. Here is amount field into the values area and then close the pivot table field list. Okay, close the pivot table field list. Question is completed now. Now moving on, next question is question number 3. Format the value in the pivot table using the number categories to display 0 decimal places and then 1000 separator. Change the pivot table name to PT1. Simply format the values in the pivot table using the number categories to display 0 decimal places and 1000 separator. Okay. Format the value to the, go to the pivot table, analyze, click on field size, pivot table field, and then simply click on value field setting. Okay, sum of amount, click on sum of amount, click on value field setting, and then select number format, go to the format, and then pivot table using number format, click on number, and then 0 decimal places, set 0 decimal places, click on OK, click on OK again. Oh sorry, change the pivot table name to PT1. Okay, we will change the pivot table name to PT1. Okay, custom name, and then we will change the pivot table name to PT1. Okay, sorry, this is not custom name, and we will go to the pivot table analyze and then go to the pivot table name. Where is pivot table 2? Here is pivot table 2, and then we will change here name PT1. Okay, we will change here name PT1. PT1. Okay, we will close this task pane. Next question is that insert slicer for the pool and atom fields and then filter by the tropics, pool and spa fields. Move the pool slicer so that its upper left corner align with the upper left corner of E3. Move the atom slicer so that its upper left corner align with G3. Make a copy of the worksheet, rename the copied worksheet tropics pool, and then on tropics pool sheet click the pivot table and change the pivot table name to PT2. Okay, simply insert slicer for the pool and then fields, and then filter by the tropics pool and spa field. Okay, insert a slicer for the pool, simply click on insert tab and click on slicer for pool and atom field. Click on pool, click on OK. Sorry, pool and atom, both field will be selected, and then click on OK, both slicer will be inserted. Now and then filter by the tropics pool and spa field. Okay, filter by the tropics pool and spa fields. By tropic pools and then spa fields. Here is filter by. Okay, this is good now. Move the pool slicer so that its upper left corner align with the upper left corner of E3. Move the pool slicer so that its upper left corner align with the upper left corner of cell E3. Okay, move the atom slicer so that its upper left corner align with cell G3. Okay, with G3. Atom slicer to move to the upper left corner in cell G3. Okay. Now make a copy of this worksheet. Rename the copy worksheet tropics pool. Simply we will create a copy of this worksheet. Right click on this sheet and then click on move a copy. Move a copy. Okay, click on create a copy. Click on OK. The new worksheet rename with tropics pool, and then on the tropics pool sheet. Okay, we will change the new worksheet name is tropics pool. Right click on this and then click on rename. Okay, then we will rename this as this name tropics pool. Then click in the pivot table and change the pivot table name to point 2 PT2. Okay, click in the pivot table and then change the pivot table name to PT2. Okay, simply we will change the pivot table name to PT2. Okay, we will change the pivot table to PT2. Okay, PT2, change the pivot table name to PT2. Okay, click on pivot table analyze and then we will change this name to PT2. This is good. Now I have done this question very well. Now moving on, next question is question number 5. I have done 4 questions of this assignment right now. The question number 5 is that display sheet 1, clear the filter from the slices and remove the slicer from the worksheet. Rename the sheet 2 sheet 2Q revenue. Okay, first we will simply display sheet 1 and then we will clear the filter from the slicers. Okay, and remove the slicer from the worksheet and rename the sheet 2Q revenue. Okay, simply we will display sheet 1. Moving on Excel workbook and then okay, display sheet 1 and then clear the filter from the slicer. Okay, click on red cross, the filter will be clear from the slicer and then click on the atom slicer red cross and then clear. Okay, clear the filter from the slicer. Okay, now remove the slicer from the worksheet. We will remove the slicer from the worksheet and then rename the sheet 2Q revenue. Okay, first we will remove the slicer from the worksheet. Right click on this slicer and then right click on this and then remove pool. Click on remove pool. This slicer will be removed from the worksheet and then click on atom slicer. Right click on this and then click on remove items. This slicer will be removed from the worksheet. Now rename the sheet 2Q revenue. Right click on this sheet and then we will rename this sheet will be 2Q revenue. Okay, this question is very good. I have done this question very well. Okay, now focus on my PC screen. I am doing question number 6. Insert the pivot chart using the stacked column chart type. Move the chart a new sheet and then name the chart sheet 2Q revenue chart. Okay, simply we will insert a pivot chart using the stacked column chart type. Okay, move the chart to a new sheet, simply moving on Excel workbook and then we will click on insert tab. Okay, click on click on pivot table analyze and then click on pivot chart and then use stacked column chart. Using stacked column chart, create a pivot chart using stacked column chart. Okay, please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. Insert a pivot chart using stacked column chart type and move the new chart sheet and then name the chart sheet 2Q revenue chart. Okay, now we will move this chart to new sheet. Click on the design and then click on move chart. Click on new sheet. The new sheet name is 2Q revenue chart. Click on OK. The chart move will be on the new sheet 2Q revenue chart. Now apply the layout 3 chart layout and center data labels. Okay, question number 7 is that apply the layout 3 chart layout at the center data label, and then if the field button display, hide all of the field buttons on the chart. As the chart title, type second quarter aquatics from revenue, and then insert a custom footer with the file name in the left section. Okay, apply the layout 3 chart style chart layout on this chart. Please focus on my PC screen. If you do not able to do this assignment, sorry, you will contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. You can contact easily on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you, and I will handle your complete course with A+ grade. Apply the layout 3 chart layout. Okay, click on design, click on quick layout, and then we will apply layout 3 layout chart layout 3 layout. Now add center data labels and go to the alignments, and then apply center the alignments. Centered, sorry, go to the chart element and then apply center data label. Click on data label, apply center data labels. Okay, now if the button or go to the data label and then apply center data label. Okay, if the field button display, hide all of the field button on the chart. Go to the field chart fields and then hide all field buttons. Okay, chart title. As the chart title, type second quarter's aquatics from revenue, and then insert a custom. Okay, click on the chart title, and then we will type this chart title. So we will copy and paste here. Second quarter aquatics from revenue is the chart title. Okay, we will copy and paste here, and then insert a custom footer with the file name in the left section. Insert a custom footer with the file name in the left section. Simply go to the page layout, then click on margins and click on custom margin, and then click on custom footer, header footer, and then click on custom footer. Okay, file name in the left section. Okay, then click on OK. Question is done. Now you can see on my PC screen I have done 85% of this assignment. For remaining question, and if you want to deal for a complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, and many more online courses. Please add me for your weekly assignments, add me for your weekly quizzes, and add me for your midterm and final, and add me for your complete course deal. I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will handle all your course with A+ grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.